My name is Bernard Agona. I am the Executive Director for Africa Center for Nonviolence and Sustainable Impact, Afrinov in short. This is a non-profit-making organization that was formed here in Kenya in the year 2019 and also registered as a company limited by guarantee to be able to carry out activities within communities. We work with grassroots communities in matters to do with peace building, non-violence training, and actions. We work within now 8 counties in Kenya, and we work with community groups and individuals at that level to train them on how to be able to shape their own peaceful coexistence and also be able to live socially and economically stable, working together as communities for sustainable development and peace within their own communities. This is work that has grown gradually to an extent where now we have presence, as I said, in those 8 counties, but also scaling up to other counties in Kenya. And in the recent past, we have been able to partner with other organizations in Rwanda, Burundi, and Congo to introduce the work there that is now picking up and growing gradually within communities in those countries. Our desire as an organization is to see communities free from social injustices, communities being able to chart their way forward as regards to governance, communities being able to deal with their issues, especially issues to do with health, issues to do with economic empowerment, issues to do with ensuring that communities have good leadership and are able to hold those leaders accountable when necessary, and just be able to move together harmoniously and grow their communities without any interference from outside. That's our belief, that local problems require local solutions and by local people. That is what we believe as an organization. And I want to welcome all who desire to support our work to join us and be able to move with us together in this great work that we have initiated in Kenya and East Africa, and growing largely to the entire Africa as we shall be led by the Lord. Just to mention that as an organization, we serve communities and people affected by social injustices and violence, and more so conflicts in East Africa. We enter communities through community groups, organized community groups, institutions, more so learning institutions. We also work through the existing government systems, both the national government and also the county government systems. And we also partner with the grassroots community-based organizations and other international and national civil societies within those localities. Of course, we believe that as an entity, we cannot be able to achieve much, but when we partner and network with others, we are able to achieve much, to be able to put together our little resources and be able to do meaningful initiatives and projects within those communities. And that has worked well for us. If I can just mention something also regarding what we do, our approaches have been and will remain to be training as our key approach to transforming communities, because we believe that if people are trained, they'll be able to, 1, know what to do, but not only that, 2, they'll be able to know how to do it. That means to have strategies, have skills, have tactics that they are able to use to be able to bring the change they want to see in those communities. And we also believe that training instills that discipline of having a life that is peaceful, a life that is proactive, a life that is able to respond to any need as it arises. So training is key to us. So we train communities, community groups, we train institutions, we train even other organizations within those communities as need be, as they request us to do so. We also use another approach called support of campaigns. After training groups, they would want to conduct some campaigns in issues that affect them. So we accompany them in doing that. We work with them to be able to ensure that they're doing it peacefully, because our key thing is that we want to advocate nonviolence as a way or a means of attaining change and lasting change in communities. So we support them to ensure that they are adhering to nonviolence principles and are able to push through their campaigns more boldly and courageously to bring the lasting change they want to see. We also help groups to network. So we bring together groups through stakeholders forums and networking engagements so that they're able to share their experiences and be able to chart a better way forward together as we link them to others that are not within their reach. And lastly, we want to say that so far we have had some meaningful success, especially in the area of addressing women, children, and people living with disabilities rights, in the area of good service delivery and good leadership campaigns, in the area of anti-teenage pregnancy campaigns, in the area of gender-based violence, in the area of dealing with drugs and alcohol abuse within communities, and also safe environment and by and large climate change issues, and just generally on improved livelihood within those communities. We are located in Eldoret. That's where you can find us. We have an office in Eldoret to serve the Western region work. JW Mall along Uganda Road, opposite Central Bank. And then also in Nairobi, you'll find us at Shalom House. That's Daniel Compound Road off Kingara Road. If you trace us there, you'll find us there, and we'll be able to chat and interact on how we can work together. So our appeal is that you can reach us, you can join us in any of our activities whenever you feel like. We can partner, we can work together, so we can be able to see a community and a society that is able to chart the way forward as regards to peace and also matters to do with the development. Thank you.